This was asked in 2020 mains. JEE 2020 mains. The question is: a flask contains a mixture of two compounds A and B. Okay, and both these compounds, both A and B, decompose by first order kinetics. Both of them decompose by first order kinetics. Okay, and the half lives of A and B are given to us. T half for A is given to us as 300 seconds, and T half for B is given to us as 180 seconds. And it is also given that initial concentration of A is equal to initial concentration of B. These are the given data. Okay. And what we have to find out is that the time required for the concentration of A to be four times that of B means when the concentration of A becomes 4 times of B, that time is to be required. So in what time the concentration of A will become 4 times that of B, and that time 4 options are given to us: A 120 seconds, B 300, C 900, and D 180 seconds. Okay, so this is the numerical that we have to solve. So how we will do? Let us solve this. Now you see what we have been given is the half-life of A and half-life of B, and the condition is when initial concentration of A becomes equal to B. Okay, they are also given to us that initial concentrations are same, and we have to find the time required for concentration of A to become 4 times that of B. तो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए जो हमारा फार्मूला था, that is concentration of A was varying as initial concentration of A into e raised to the power minus KT. Suppose K is the rate constant for A. Okay, and we can write that concentration of B is varying as B naught e raised to the power minus KB into T. Okay, so we have to find the condition when A becomes 4 times of B. That means A means this is A naught into e raised to the power minus KT will become equal to 4 times of B. B means B naught into e raised to the power minus KBT. Now it is given that A naught equal to B naught, so this will cancel out. Okay, so what we will get is e raised to the power minus KT will be equal to 4 times e raised to the power minus KBT. तो इसमें हमें टाइम की वैल्यू निकालनी है by solving this. Okay, so what we can do is we will divide this equation. We will divide this, so we will get e raised to the power minus KAT upon e raised to the power minus KBT will be equal to 4. Okay, this we can write as e raised to the power minus this KB will go and it will become plus, so we will get KA minus KB. Okay, into T is equal to 4. अब हम दोनों तरफ का log ले लेते हैं, so we will get what we will get minus of KA minus of KB into T. Okay, ln. So this will be equal to ln of 4. Take log of both sides. So we will get this, and we know that this we can write as KB minus KA into T equal to ln of 4. Okay. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? ये T half से इसको यूज करेंगे. We will make use of half life. We know that half life is nothing but ln 2 by K. Okay, so we can say that K equal to ln 2 upon T half. So instead of KB, I can write that ln 2 upon T half of B. Okay, for this equation, KB is nothing but ln 2 upon T half for B minus KA is nothing but ln 2 upon T half for A is equal to 2 ln 2. ln 4 is nothing but 2 ln 2. Okay, now ln 2 will get cancelled out from both sides. So what we will get? 1 upon T half of B is 180 minus 1 upon T half of A is 300 is equal to ln 2 will get cancelled out equal to 2, and into T is also there. Okay, because this into T is there, na? Into time. So T into this equal to 2. So we can solve it and find out the value of T. That will come out to be 900 seconds. So that is our answer. Okay.